Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, the Bronco is coming along well. I actually got the electronics installed in it and gave it a little bit of a test run, but that's not why we're here right now. There'll be a video coming up on that soon. Right now we're going to cover getting the barn ready for Project XJ Part 2. Alright, so in the last video I said I was going to do this the very next day. It didn't happen. I actually found out my wife and I both tested positive for COVID, so I felt it'd be better if I stayed in and rested a bit, but I got this done today. Okay, after a lot of breaks, this ought to hold up for more than 3 years, I think. Alright, so did a lot of work in the barn. As far as the symptoms of my COVID, I didn't really have any at first. As time's gone on, I'm getting some minor stuff, but like right now I'm losing my voice. But anyway, I've been busy in here. Still have some work to do. My bench still a mess, right? Rest of the barn, look how clean that is now. If you've seen the last video, you've probably seen all the garbage and stuff that was on the floor. That's all cleaned up. Like I said, I took a lot of breaks because for some reason I'm getting tired like really easy. So, but anyway, in addition to all that, what we got going on here is I bought these lights from Home Depot, and I thought they'd turn out really good. These are indoor outdoor lights, and given with the work area I'm working in right now, I figure that's pretty good because this barn is not exactly sealed, right? Okay, so anyway, you get 5 LED lights right here, 7500 total lumen. Takes about the same amount of power as a 40-watt bulb. I wasn't quite sure how long it was, so I bought 2 sets, and it turns out I didn't really need them because if you look, you start right here with this work area with the first light, and over the welding bench, second light, and I got a third light right there. Goes all the way down to there, right? So it's not quite dark yet, but I'm thinking that's going to make this whole area so much easier to work in. So let's see, I'm going to give it like a half an hour. When it gets a lot darker, we'll see how much it really lights it up in here. Alright, so it's a little darker now. You can see how well these lights light up everything. You can see that engine compartment really well. Nope, I haven't cleaned it up yet. But yeah, this is a great start because this has been sitting in my yard doing nothing, and I haven't done anything to it except for air up the right rear tire. But you know, it runs really well. I think when I introduced this about a year ago, you said something about the ECU problem, but now I'm thinking it's a fuel delivery problem. So, because if it sits for a while, it acts like it's almost out of gas, and until it gets warmed up and the fuel gets flowing, it won't idle. So, I'll be looking forward to finding out what's wrong with that, and I was looking forward to sharing that with all of you. Still working on the little cars. So look for content from both this truck and the other cars. Remember to give me a like click, subscribe, and I'm really digging this. It's the first time since I've moved here that I've actually had this area this clean where I could actually work and get this area cleaned out. It will be good, right? Alright, so Also, there's some like shelves in the inner barn that I'm thinking about putting up over here. Or like bookcases actually. Be good for like putting parts on or whatever when I'm taking this thing apart. Just so I can find them again. As far as the dirt floor, we'll address that probably in 2022, because first we have to fix everything else. We have to get the dash put back together, see if we can get everything working, fuel delivery problem fixed, all that, get that all taken care of, then we can go on to the chassis. All right? So, hey, this is RC Mechanic. Keep building, keep fixing. I'll see you next time.